We're at a campground. It's called at the Alexandria Shooting Club in Alexandria, Minnesota. And then all of a sudden a huge storm came, and we're moving the rig in the middle of the storm because of this. All right, we moved from there. See the tree and those cones over there? We could not see those cones when we started packing up. So we did a quick emergency pack up and we moved just across the campground to here. Much higher, much drier. So we knew the storm was kind of slacking off a little bit, but what we were worried about was if another storm came overnight, and now everything's all saturated so that water wouldn't have anywhere to go. So we were just worried about things getting a lot deeper when either, we weren't here, if we were out shopping or if we were sleeping. So we're much happier here. Plus, it was 30 amp down there, and we didn't realize this at the time when we picked the spot, but it's 50 amp up here. It's the same price, so why not?
So, the one good thing about a huge thunderstorm, with now we have just a little sprinkle, the kids can come out and splash in puddles, which they always want to go and do. So, freedom, they're gonna be a mess after this, but they're having a lot of fun.
Apparently they want to go back over and play in the big puddle, which was right next to where we just left. So let's go back and do that.
Where we were before was kind of at the apex, or the opposite of the apex, of where all of the water was kind of draining out. Oh my gosh, Brooke is up to her waist almost. And so we just kept watching this whole area fill up and not draining anywhere.
Just to head off any comments about storms and standing water, we saw this entire area before it filled up with water, and when we watched it fill, and there are no drains, there are no holes, there are no manholes, it's just dirt and grass. So the kids are fine, and we're nearby in case they fall in. So we're just gonna let them play because we haven't had rain.
A long time. This much rain.
We haven't had this much rain probably since Texas, which was 6 months ago. So they've been looking forward to it.
I can't see my feet. It's a little deep here. Oh my God, so
So real quick, what do you think of these glasses? I don't know. Erin loves them.
Love them.
I am very undecided. She just poured a bucket of water on my foot. I thought something was pouring out of my hat. So anyway, let me know in the comments below. Do you like these glasses better or the ones in the last episode?
I like these.
I'm undecided.
I love them.
Yeah. So we came all the way across North Dakota yesterday.
All across.
All the way across. We left Devil's Tower at 9:30?
Yeah.
9:30-ish. Came up through, I guess it was up through South Dakota, up into North Dakota, went to Theodore Roosevelt National Park, Did a quick little hike. I think I'll throw the footage for that in here. We just drove up into North Dakota for the first time. From Devil's Tower up through South Dakota again, and now to Theodore Roosevelt National Park. We stopped at the Painted Canyon Visitor Center, which is actually a rest stop off of the highway as well. And we're doing a little nature trail because we're headed east today, across North Dakota to Bismarck, probably. There's a Cracker Barrel there where we're probably going to grab dinner and then get back on the road towards Fargo. We're basically running across North Dakota on our way east to start seeing family again. So we're going to do this little nature trail here that's right off of the rest stop. It goes down into the canyon. Looks really pretty. It's a little warm today, but we need to do something to wear the kids out instead of just sitting in the truck all day. Do I think it's a rock? Yes, I do.
Not a rock.
It's dirt.
What is that?
That's poopy.
Is that poopy?
Very poopy.
This is a neat little trail. If you ever are coming out this way, it's right off of Route 94 through North Dakota. And it's the Painted Canyon Visitor Center. Just stop. There's a little nature trail off the end of the parking lot. And we're still going down. Down, which means we're going to have to go back up. We're not looking forward to that part, but so far we're enjoying this. Kids are having fun, getting the wiggles out before we have to get back in the car.
It's really cool. We're getting near the bottom of the floor of the canyon, I guess, maybe. And there's this like darker orange line that we can follow all the way around at the same level. It's kind of neat.
Okay, we got down to the bottom of the trail there and it started working our way back up, very much up. But further up we go, prettier it gets. It's very pretty. It's very easy to see what is called the Painted Canyon. There's so much color out there. That was a nice little hike. It was a great way to kind of, get the wiggles out and burn up some energy and get back in the truck.
And make us all tired. They all fell asleep. Brian and I were just like, oh.
Yeah. We've been rereading, listening to Harry Potter on audiobook, which has been fantastic for these long drives.
And it's something that's appropriate enough that if the kids are listening into, that it's not anything adult.
Right. And we both read them, so it's neat to
listen to them.
Reread them. It feels like we're reading.
Yeah.
We left Roosevelt National Park and came across 94 all the way to Bismarck. Stopped for dinner at Cracker Barrel. We thought originally we were going to stay there, but we just felt like driving. And driving at night is great because the kids fall asleep for the most part.
Yay.
So Bismarck to Fargo. We drove all the way to Fargo, so clear across North Dakota in one day. We stopped at a Walmart just south of Fargo. Yeah, brand new Walmart. Lot was pretty level. It was pretty quiet. It was open 24 hours. It was nice. We got rained on last night too. So a lot of rain in this area right now. So we spent the night at Walmart. I ran in and got stuff in the morning, and then we hit the road, and we're only what, an hour and a half away from there, down here in Alexandria.
Yeah, it was kind of difficult finding a place to stay near Minneapolis on the weekend, on the day of. So we're trying to let go, if you've watched our last video or the video before, and just kind of move with the moment.
Find stuff on the way.
I'm having a little hard time with it, but...
And also, it's the Minnesota State Fair in Minneapolis right now, and it is a big deal. So kind of everything around there is crushed right now. So it's from kind of nowish through Labor Day. So we're going to have a little bit of trouble finding spots, but we'll look during the week.
Yes.
So we're here for Friday night and Saturday night. We're well outside of Minneapolis. This place is basically empty. One thing we were super excited about is when we were taking this exit to come to this campground, we looked across the highway, and there's an Aldi over there. There was an Aldi in Williamsburg where we lived. We loved going there. They have cheap foods. They kind of have their own label stuff. It's all kind of off-brand, off-name stuff. Some of it we really, really like, and we certainly like the prices. So there have been no Aldis on our route since basically Central California, Southern California, around Los Angeles. So we've been kind of missing them. We've been looking forward to getting back to one. They have my favorite cereal. They have our favorite ice cream. They have a couple snacks that the kids absolutely love. We like keeping in the car. So we're gonna go check out that Aldi this evening and see if we can find our snacks again. And then everyone will be happy campers. So we're gonna sign off here for now. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Again, let me know about these glasses, because I really don't know. I don't know.
I love them!
Aaron loves them. I don't know. So let me know about the glasses, and make sure to hit the bell so you get the notifications when our episodes go up. And also stay tuned, because next episode, I think we're gonna have some big news that we hope all of you guys that like watching us will enjoy. We will see you next time.